Alrighty, Craig and Emma, thank you very much. Your full weather forecast brought to you by Scott's Recreation, New England's largest trailer dealer, home of Maine's lowest camper and tractor prices, with locations in Turner, Manchester, Herman, and Orono, Maine. Here we go. A lot of alerts in effect. Just a couple of them, but they're kind of overspreading the whole state. This right here is a winter storm warning up until about 5 o'clock Tuesday morning, because we're going to be watching for some sleet and ice accumulations expected and a little bit of snow. Winter weather advisories in a purple here until about midnight Tuesday, depending on where you're at, for some icing accumulations as well. But the worst of it will be in the eastern parts of the state. There's also a gale warning that's in effect here, and these are the areas in that gale warning. So roughly about 5 o'clock later this evening, no, we can pull this map further off towards the south and west, and that's going to be kind of the general idea for pretty much everybody with this gale warning that's currently in effect. But look at all this precipitation here currently moving into purple, indicating ice moving in, possibly a wintry mix of some other precipitation here in this pink shade, with rain further off towards the south and east, and maybe some snow further off towards the north. So a wintry mix of everything is what we're starting out with this morning. We're going to keep that wintry mix going for most of the daytime today, especially the sleet and freezing rain part. Roads will be slippery, half-inch or less of ice possible. Power outages will be possible with this as well as it does develop. So it's currently kind of tracking off towards the east. So we'll get this out of here later today. So by tonight, we'll still have this. But by tomorrow, things will begin to calm down with high pressure not too far away. So we just have today to deal with this precipitation that's currently moving through and plenty of ice. Look at all this today. This is not going to be a good situation, possibly mixing with some snow from time to time as we head towards the evening period. But notice what happens tomorrow. Things finally begin to calm down. So we have a little bit of icy precipitation and snow possible to start things off for you Tuesday. Maybe lingering through the afternoon too is a little bit of snow, but the worst of it will be today and the parts of tonight with a little bit of snow lingering around as we head towards early Wednesday morning as well. So here we go. So this is kind of the ice potential here. This says rainfall. This should say the ice potential here of about a half-inch or less of ice before we're all finished up here. So this is not a good situation. So please be careful. This is ice potential here, not rainfall. We'll keep you posted as things do develop. This is the future rainfall forecast right here, about an inch and a half before we're all finished up, with lesser amounts further off towards the south and west. And the snowfall potential as well is not very huge here, about an inch or two before we're all finished up. So not a whole lot of snow possible. We'll have to keep an eye on this as things do develop. So your forecast for today looks like this. So we do have freezing rain, sleet, and snow. Power outages possible. Half-inch or less of ice. Highs in the low 30s. The north wind getting up to about 30 miles per hour. Later on tonight, upper 20s, freezing rain, sleet, and snow. The north wind getting up to about 20 miles per hour. And for tomorrow, 35 degrees, mostly cloudy, slight chance for snow. Again, northwest wind at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Scott's Recreation extended forecast. That wintry mix, especially sleet and, of course, freezing rain today. Slight chances for snow Tuesday and Wednesday. Partly cloudy Thursday. More snow moving in as we head towards your Friday.